Subscribe Atheist Technologies. Now start now. Keep going on next. Take the right mark on next. Connect Wi-Fi. But this is running in mobile network. Don't copy. Click on don't copy. Difficult password is not working. Use instant Google account, but we don't know Google account. Go next and go back. Now connect to Wi-Fi. Now click on add network and keyboard menu. Click on account and select middle keyboard and click on share icon. Now the sharing option will be run. Click on share me option. Go agree and next. Allow all these things. Allow Bluetooth, allow Wi-Fi, and the scanner is coming. Now use another Android phone to share activity launcher. I already inserted activity launcher in old phone and share me. You must install share me and activity launcher. Now share me is open and receive. Click on receive button and the scanner will come. Scan the old phone in new phone. The scan is completed and now connecting the phone. Click on connect button. Now phone will connected. Click share option in old phone and select apps option. Apps and click on activity launcher and send that one. Only activity launcher. Now click on send button. Activity launcher is come and install the activity launcher. You also share more files, but I sharing only Chrome and activity launcher. Now open the activity launcher. Click on run button and click on OK on disclaimer. All apps will come on the system. Now search Android setup. Android setup will appear on your screen. And now connect deferred temporary. You must see that temporary. Now the Android setup will come on new phone. Click on next button. Select network you connected that one. That is going. Keep next. We are copying via wireless. Press and hold home button on old screen and the Google Assistant will become. Click on mic icon and say set up my new device. Now matching two phones and the same color will appear and click on next button and click on copy. Now it is asking for password on old phone. Please enter the password to new phone. Enter password and click next button. Now I am forwarding 2x fast, and the Google account is copying to new phone. Please wait few minutes. Please wait for a few minutes. Now untick all options and click on apps button and select only one app to send. I am selecting only one app and click on OK button and copy. Now copying accounts and apps. Yes, now Google account will successfully added to the new phone. Please wait. Select Google and click on next. Green lock will not work because this is Android 14. Now restart your phone. Please wait. Now you see account will added. I am forwarding this. Click on next, recommended, skip, and next. Okay. Suddenly press power button. Now Google account successfully bypassed on Redmi phone. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and like.